I'm attorney Pressley Henningsen with RSH Legal. Some residents in Iowa nursing homes suffer from bed sores. Is it a normal but unfortunate side effect of being in a facility, or is it an indication of nursing home neglect? Bed sores, also known as pressure ulcers or decubitus ulcers, are injuries to skin and tissue resulting from sustained pressure. These are common wounds for those who live in a nursing home, especially for a resident who is new to a facility, been there a year or less, a resident who can't easily move about without assistance, or a resident who has recently lost weight. Skin is not an effective padding, and shifting is the way that most humans keep us from developing these ulcers. Bed sores form when a person stays in the same position for a long period of time. Whether sitting or lying down, bed sores can be a common occurrence for those who cannot move easily on their own. The elderly also have thinner skin and have issues with healing, so it's not uncommon for these sores to develop. Bed sores take a long time to heal and can lead to further infections, so it's better to avoid them if at all possible. If your loved one is not able to move themselves or is otherwise at risk for pressure ulcers, be sure that their nursing home is doing everything possible to keep bed sores from developing. This can include helping them change positions often, and if your loved one cannot do this themselves, a staff member must readjust them frequently. The longer someone sits or lies in the same position, the more likely it is for them to develop a sore. The nursing home needs to keep the skin dry and clean. If your loved one is incontinent, this can make it easier for bed sores and accompanying infections to set in. Be sure the facility staff is checking your loved one for dampness on a consistent schedule. Have them use pillows and other supports. There are specially made pillows, foam cushions, and other supports that can be placed under problem areas and can help lessen the chance of developing a pressure ulcer. There are 4 stages of pressure ulcers used by the medical staff to track the severity of these bed sores. They range from stage 1, where the skin just appears reddened and may be warm, all the way to stage 4, where the sore extends into the nearby muscle and bone and is life-threatening. Even with all this care, it's possible that an occasional bed sore can develop on your loved one. If this happens, the nursing home staff should clean and dress the wound appropriately. Keeping the wound dry and clean is very important for healing. So when should you be worried about your loved one getting pressure ulcers? According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, pressure ulcers are one of the most important measures of the quality of clinical care in nursing homes. If there are many residents in the facility who have or are developing bed sores, this can show that the staff cannot or does not meet all of their residents' needs. It's important for your loved one's nursing home to do everything that they can to prevent these injuries from occurring and provide proper wound care when they do develop. If you suspect this is not happening, talk to the nursing home administrator right away about your concerns. If your loved one has suffered bed sores and you believe it is due to nursing home neglect, call RSH Legal today at 1-800-433-0283. RSH Legal, fighting for fairness.